take your trust to the next level. With Feinster Duo, you can finally give your pet the freedom he needs while keeping your peace of mind. A tiny and smart wearable device helps you care for that best friend of yours, using high-precision GPS technology to track their location in real time. Practical and easy to use, Feinster lets you stay connected even when you're away. Share access to your pets with your family and friends and monitor their safety from anywhere. The virtual leash adds an extra layer of protection during your walks, ensuring your pet keeps up with you at all times. Love is a full-time job, but sometimes life gets in the way. Feinster helps you stay one step ahead, even when Mr. Tailwagger decides to go on his little solo expeditions. Feinster is the extra set of eyes you've always wanted to have, but instead of helping you look, it guides you right to your pet's location. But going out with your little buddy is also about sharing new adventures and celebrating your unique bond. Challenges and leaderboards are available, because fun should always be a part of the experience. Revisit your walks or analyze your performance. Feinster helps you guarantee you're both getting the most out of your activities. It also provides you with key data to make sure your best friend's needs are always attended to. But Feinster Duo goes beyond that. It is also the first product that rewards you for keeping your pet healthy. Connect yourself to the ones you love with Feinster Duo.
I think any dog owner can relate to it. You look into their eyes and share a brief connection and see that they really want to understand. So when you think about trying to talk to your pet, there's really only so much you can say. But what if somehow you could communicate more? What would you ask them first? This was the inspiration for CleverPet.
CleverPet is an interactive device that rewards your dog for solving simple puzzles. We know that when you reward an animal for performing a certain behavior, it's more likely to perform that behavior again in the future. We use this every time we try to get our dog to do something for a treat. And two of the most important factors in making this work are repetition and consistency. So, CleverPet uses your dog's morning meal and the time it spends at home to encourage interactions throughout the day. It starts out simple. Your dog will get a treat whenever she presses any of CleverPet's buttons. Once she's got this down, CleverPet makes her job a little bit tougher. Now she only gets a treat when she presses the button that's lit up. Once she's learned that, the game changes again. CleverPet gradually teaches her to interact in more interesting ways, and she stays active and happy all day long. The really great thing is that this is all automatic. CleverPet engages your dog even when you can't be home.
My favorite part about working with dogs is seeing progress on a daily basis. I've learned a lot about how dogs interact with their surroundings. And the most important takeaway is that a dog with a job is a happy dog. What's really interesting is that all my clients have the same requests. They all want a happy, healthy, and well-behaved dog. So when I was first introduced to CleverPet, I learned that there was something for these problems, keeping our dogs engaged and busy while we're not at home. I've introduced dogs to just about every interactive toy and device on the market, and nothing challenges your dog like CleverPet does.
We began with simple pet behaviors and have since advanced to more complex interactions. At CleverPet, we're driven by compassion and curiosity to find a way to care for pets when they're alone and get a better sense for who they are. So whether you're looking to keep your pet healthy and happy or simply dealing with your dog's anxiety when you leave the house, CleverPet adapts to meet your dog's needs.
Hey guys, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Chris. And this is Charger.
And together, we designed the Zen Crate to help reduce pet anxiety.
Like many pet owners, my dog Charger is part of the family. Charger gets extremely anxious and afraid whenever I'm out of the house. The only thing that terrifies him more than separation is his fear of thunder and fireworks. This was heartbreaking to watch, as I can only imagine how he felt. After trying every option available with no relief, I decided to come up with my own solution. I teamed up with my partner Chris, who has his PhD in robotics.
We started by researching what causes anxiety in dogs, how dogs sense and feel things differently than we do, and how they naturally seek comfort during times of anxiety. The design was inspired by combining several different remedies through our research. This solution came down to several factors: vibration dampening, noise canceling, and making a comfortable home for the dog.
After years of research, we built the first prototype in 2014, and the results were amazing. Charger instantly took to his new Zen Crate. Seeing how much calmer Charger was during the thunderstorms, I realized we were onto something big.
We designed the Zen Crate with a built-in proximity sensor, which tells the crate when it's occupied. Once the sensors are triggered, the crate activates a unique playlist of soothing music and sounds which have been shown through scientific research to reduce anxiety and fear-related stress in dogs.
Understanding that, like humans, each dog also has its own personality, we wanted to make sure the playlist was adjustable to the dog's likes and dislikes. Since dogs can't provide feedback like we do on our music apps, we have developed an algorithm that looks for trends in the dog's behavior, which adds and deletes songs to specifically customize the playlist just for them.
One of the best features of the Zen Crate is that it comes ready to transmit data through Wi-Fi. It can let the owner know through a text message or email when the dog enters or leaves the crate. And the add-on Wi-Fi camera gives the owner the ability to see their dog when they're not home.
The Zen Crate has been designed with simplicity in mind, as it does not require a single tool to assemble. With each piece engineered to snap or slide together, the entire assembly process takes less than 5 minutes.
Finally, we wanted to build a smart crate as attractive for the dog as it was for the owner, so we focused the design on being aesthetically pleasing. The physical look of the Zen Crate invites owners to place it within any style of home, and it'll blend in as a stylish piece of furniture.
Hi, my name is Jasmine, and this is my son, Rocket. Living in Miami, very crazy schedule that I have. Rocket gets major anxiety when I leave. He's crying, he's scratching the door down. And after getting the Zen Crate, I noticed the change in his behavior. He's more calm, he doesn't cry as much, he doesn't worry as much. So I feel confident when I have to go make a run or something happens last minute, I get called into work, that he'll be safe when he's here and he'll be comfortable, most importantly.
We love our cats. They're a part of our families. They rely on us for their daily care, but we can't watch over them all the time. That's why there's Taleo. Taleo turns any litter box into a smart monitoring system to help you keep tabs on your cat's well-being. By tracking your cat's visits to the litter box, Taleo detects even subtle trends in your cat's weight, weighs what they leave behind, and learns their behavior patterns while in the box to detect any unusual signs. Through the cloud, Taleo monitors your cat 24/7 using powerful analytics developed with veterinarians to alert you to potential health issues or even remind you to clean the litter box, so you're empowered to take action and give your cat the best possible care.
Cats give us unconditional love. Our pets greet us at the end of the day. As a veterinarian, it was obvious that cats come to us much sicker than dogs with the same disease, whether it be thyroid diseases, diabetes, any host of diseases, urinary tract diseases, kidney diseases. The most exciting thing about Taleo is it's going to help us care for cats at the beginning of a disease process as opposed to after it's taken a significant toll on their well-being. Taleo is one of those aspects of technology that will not only make our lives better by giving us peace of mind, but a cat's life better, and the relationship with your veterinarian much easier because you will have objective information to care for your cat.
Taleo's easy. Simply download the mobile app, connect to Wi-Fi, and place under the litter box. Taleo goes to work to seamlessly watch over your cat, or even works with multiple cats. From kittens to adults, Taleo lets you know how they're doing from anywhere.
Many cats are obese or overweight in our country, in fact more than 50% by some studies. They have a predisposition to diabetes when they're overweight, just like people.
Through the power of analytics, Taleo gives you detailed information to manage your cat's progress of your vet's prescribed weight loss program, or alerts you to any unhealthy weight gain.
I was fortunate enough to surround myself with a really strong team of people experienced in consumer products, in analytics, in sophisticated equipment. We've developed prototypes of the Taleo hardware device, integrated our analytics in the cloud, and built a mobile app. We just completed our industrial design of the Taleo device. Now we need your help to move to mass production so we can ship those Taleo units to you.
Hi, my name is Brooke Martin. I'm 14 years old and live in Spokane, Washington. This is my dog, Kayla. 5 years ago, we rescued her from a shelter. She is such an amazing dog, and we feel so lucky to have her. The past few years, our family schedule has gotten busier and busier. School has become more demanding, and with all of our other activities, it seemed like we were hardly ever home. Kayla really had anxiety issues when we would leave her alone. Not only did she seem depressed, but she also started misbehaving and was often destructive. As I later found out, those are traits of a common problem called canine separation anxiety. Kayla brings so much joy and happiness into my life. I hated to see her like that. I wanted to do something to help her and other dogs. I came up with an idea for a product that would let me connect with her anytime or anywhere. I researched to see if there was a way to virtually connect with your pet and deliver a treat. Surprisingly, there wasn't. I discussed my vision with my parents, who got very excited about the idea. With the help of my dad, I built a series of prototypes in our garage. Finally, I had something that was real and actually worked to further develop into my invention called ICPoo. ICPoo uses your home's Wi-Fi network. It's so easy to stay connected with your dog. Just place a smartphone or tablet on the face of ICPoo and it's ready to go. No matter where you are, you can call up your pup and ICPoo will auto-answer. Not only can you and your dog see and hear each other, but you can also deliver a treat with the push of a button. Since we've started using ICPoo, we've seen such positive changes in Kayla's behavior, and she seems so much happier. We wanted to be able to help other pets and pet owners everywhere. In 2013, we partnered with a local tech manufacturer and started working on the final design. With their help, we refined the software, made necessary modifications, and ICPoo became so much better. We are so incredibly close to being able to share ICPoo with pet households everywhere. We're ready to go into full-scale production, but we can't do it without your help. Please share our story with your friends and family and back ICPoo on Kickstarter. With your pledge, it brings us one step closer to being able to launch a revolutionary new pet product.